Going to Norway for the very first time, I took the ferry and enjoyed the ride. The boat rocking from side to side, going at an enormous speed from Hirtshals to Kristiansand was a great experience. After some time, the first sights of the Norwegian mountains came into view, and I got very excited. In the evening, I decided to explore the city a bit, and I stumbled upon beautiful sights, a walkable city, and even the manhole covers looked nicely. I walked down to the water with a lovely park, some water features, and a lovely sunset. I had great weather, even a rainbow, and managed to take a couple of nice pictures. For me, it was the very first time being in Norway, and having seen a lot of pictures, the city of Kristiansand was a great gateway into the country. With summer being around, nice weather and the city full of flowers, I couldn't wait to explore the rest of the country.